Hello friends, this is Kuldeep and you are watching my YouTube channel. And on my channel I used to bring the educational related content, especially for the 12th class student, with the context that what they can opt as a career after their 12th class. Okay, so these days I am completing my top 10 B school series, and in the same name I have completed 3 colleges, that is Christ, Symbiosis and Narsi Monji Institute for Management Studies. So in this video we will be covering our 4th university, or we can say the 4th college. So the name of that college is St. Xavier's College, Mumbai. So in this video we will be covering everything, like what is the establishment of the college, and what is the fee structure for the course, what is the placement, what are the special facilities provided to the students by the university, and extra means everything. So watch that video till the end, so then you should not skip any point in the mid of the video. And I will suggest to please subscribe the channel and share the channel to the person those who are looking for the same content. So without delay, let's start the topic for the day. So St. Xavier College is situated in the mid of the Mumbai city, and it is established in the year 1869 and is an autonomous body. It is recognized by UGC, University Grant Commission, and approved as A+ category by the NAC and Ministry of Human Resource and Development. So this is almost carrying a legacy of 150 years into the education industry, and very wonderful name and in the education industry. Plus the heritage, it gives a look of the heritage site if we look the infrastructure of the college. So this is a little bit about the establishment. And if we talk about the courses which is offered by the St. Xavier colleges, it is provided under undergraduate courses, postgraduate courses and PhD courses as well. So under the undergraduate category, few of the names of the courses I am taking, like it is provided BA program, BSc program, BCom program, BMS program. Like under the postgraduate category, it is provided MA program, MSc program, MCom programs and MSc programs, and in PhD courses in PhD in several streams. So this is all about the courses offered by the Mumbai St. Xavier's Mumbai College. Okay, if we talk about the fee structure of the BMS program, especially I am taking BMS program because the whole video is especially for the BMS content, only for the BBA students those who are targeting the BMS program or BBA program. So the fee structure for the BBA program is, for first year it is 36,000, second year 27,500 and third year 30,000. So this is the fee structure for the BMS program. And BMM program, that is Bachelor of Management and Mass Communication, is between 62,000 to 65,000. This is a fee structure charged every year, charged for these two programs. And if we talk about the eligibility, that what is the eligibility for the admission into the BMS program, is eligibility is very simple. The student or the candidate must have passed 12th class with a minimum 60% in its board examination. And for BMM program, that is Master of Management and Media program, the eligibility is simple, 45% in 12th class. For the BCom program as well. So these are the eligibility for the for both the programs. Now the total number of seats for the BMS program is only 60, and as this is a minority college, so out of 60 seats, 9 seats are available for the management quota, 25 seats is specially capped for the Christian community students, 23 is for the general category, and 3 for the specially able child. So these are the seats. There is no reservation for the SC and ST category and other categories as well. So these are the total number of the seats. Now how the admission takes place into the BMS program into the colleges. Simply St. Xavier's College conducted its own entrance examination, and after clearing that examination, the consolidated rank of 60% of the entrance examination and 40% of the 12th class board examination is to be taken into consideration, and then a consolidated rank is to be noticed on the board, and the selected candidates get the admission into the college. So this is the admission criteria. If we talk about that, what is the examination pattern for the entrance examination? So simply, examination pattern, total 120 questions used to come into the examination. For that, 120 minutes is to be given to the students. No negative marking is there, so the students can opt each and every question without hesitation. Simple calculator is also allowed into the examination. Now this is the examination pattern. What are the subject syllabus? Means what are the subject which come into the examination is English, logical reasoning, data interpretation, maths, and general knowledge. So equal number of the questions of each section will be framed into the paper, and 120 questions will be there totally. Okay, now what is the placement which is offered by the St. Xavier's College is approximately, I am telling, which have seen into the last years, and so the average placement is between 5 to 7 lakh for the management programs. Okay, now let's talk about that what are the facilities available into the campus to the students. Like library is there, so library is very well maintained with the hard copies of the books as well as soft copies to read the students online. Like digital library is also available. Whole of the classes are very well maintained with the current technology for the study structure. Like digital classrooms are there, speakers are there, Wi-Fi campus is available. The whole of the campus is Wi-Fi enabled. Hostel facilities there for the boys and the girls separately. Sports complex are available for the indoor and outdoor games. If I talk about the cultural activities or the fest, so fest conducted every year by the college by the name Malhar. So most of the students, not only from the college itself, but out of the colleges, like from the other colleges of India, they take participate into the this fest. So dramatics are used to held in the Malhar fest. Song competition is there, dance competition is there, literature competitions are there. So this is the fest, and cultural activities and other activities are also used to happen into the intervals of time for the activeness of the students, and so that their personally development grooming can be there for the students time to time. Okay, so if I talk about the alumni, who are the alumni who have passed already in the past years. So Mukesh Ambani is one of the alumni, Vidya Balan, the famous actress, Sunil Gavaskar. So these are the few names which have already passed, and these are the few names, but most of the celebrities or means the people sitting in the politics and other top departments, they have passed from St. Xavier's College. So this is all about the Mumbai, St. Xavier's Mumbai. So this is all for today's video. While going, please subscribe the channel, and I will meet you in my next video with my fifth college or university under the series of top 10 BE schools in India. And thanks for giving the time. Thanks for watching the video. While going, please subscribe the channel, like, subscribe, and comments if you have any questions. Thanks once.